right, so we're continuing to work on the vacant apartment upstairs. That continues. I'm going to take a look at the kitchen sink drain this morning. I think we figured out some things on that. So let's, little by little, unraveling the mysteries of this apartment as well as the whole property. When we got into the unit, this sink was used as a trash can. You see, I've even done a little bit of that myself. It's always a good way to get rid of your trash. Yeah. And then it looked like, it turns out, maybe one of the reasons why, besides having no sense of sanitary living, this piece is actually cracked. I figured that out because I had to steal the trap from this because I had a problem in the apartment next door, and I noticed that was down there. So maybe they either didn't know and they just used the sink as a trash can anyway, or they didn't report it to us so we could fix it because it's not a terribly complicated thing to fix, and they just started using it as a trash can instead. I don't know. Now, the one in the bathroom also has its issue too. It's been plugged for, with a bunch of corrosion and rust and gunk. Bone dry too, like it hasn't seen water in a long time. So I don't know, strange things in the sinks here. Because me and my dad were trying to poke around and figure out what the status of that plumbing was. So we also have no sink in the bathroom as of a couple days ago. I need to get us a sink back, so I'm going to take that piece, cut it off, put new on, and get us a trap installed and get this sink back in service. So let's do that. Quarters. Got measurement, yep, 2 3/4. Let's get out of here. All right, so got that all in. Gonna let that dry. I was able to get everything in line nicely before the things got too set up, so we should be good. So that's one little project off the list. And now we can have a kitchen sink that we can actually use.